Hey guys, so today we will learn how to take a heap dump of any running container or pod. Okay, so I logged in a cluster. So here I can see the number of pods are running. So let's check kubectl get pod. So I have these much pods are running in this namespace. So suppose I want to take a heap dump of this running pod. Okay, so to take the heap dump of any pod or any running container, we need to enter into that container first. Okay, so let's enter into the pod first, then we will take the heap dump. So now kubectl exec hyphen it, in the name of the pod we need to copy. So suppose I want to take this pod and so using this we can enter the and enter into the pod, and we can run this bin command, base command here. So it will open the base terminal. Okay, so now we are into the pod now. Okay, so we can run the ls file here, ls command here, like all the existing files. So I already have a one heap dump into the command, into the folder inside this running container. So now we need to install in this container jmap. Okay, so using jmap we can get the using jmap we can get the heap dump. So first you can check jmap version. Jmap -h means, so using this command I can see jmap is already installed, or if not installed then you can install into the pod jmap. So to install any pod you can use apt-get update, and then after this you can apt-get install and open jdk 11. This is the command, and -y. So using this command you can install so you can install jmap. So as part of this open jdk we get the jmap. Okay, so using this command you can install jmap. ps -ef, this is the command, but now we want only java processor. Okay, so we can grab java and see. so this is the java processor and the process id is 1 here. Okay, so now again we will run that command to check to get the heap dump, so which is jmap -dump live format. So we need to provide format as well. These are the argument we need to provide. File name, so as we already have a file name this, so we will give another file name. So this is one I can give, and give the process id. So this will create a file with this name into this container. So using jmap we are creating the heap dump. So we need to give this argument as part of heap dump. Jmap live format will be b, which is you can say bin and the file name we need to provide. Now we will create the heap dump. Now enter. Seems there is some problem. Okay, let's try again by entering into the pod again. Let's copy the same command. Enter. Okay, let's copy the gmap command again. Let's see. Okay, so gmap command is not found. Let's first install the gmap, then we can try. The gmap we can give apt update okay. Now to install the gmap we can use apt-get install open jdk -11 -jdk and -5. So using this command we can install the OpenJDK, and as part of OpenJDK we will get the gmap. So it will take some time. So gmap is installed. We can check the gmap version -version. So to get the heap dump we can follow this gmap. Okay, so gmap -heap dump. Let's go live. Format we can give d, and file name we need to provide this like this. Okay, and we need to provide the process ID, which is 1. Now the file name we need to change. So as we already have the file name, this is the file name. Okay, so now enter. So it will create a heap dump. So heap dump file is created. So to check heap dump is created at this location, opt link heap dump. Now we can now we can see here one more heap dump is created and older one is gone. Okay. So now we have heap dump at this location, but we need to analyze this heap dump file using some analyzer. There are some online tools which can analyze the heap dump file. So to analyze this file, first we need to export this file from this container. Okay, so first we will export this file from this to this is inside the pod. So we need to export this file into some to external in the server cluster. Okay, so we will exit from this. Okay, exit pwd. Using this I can get this. So I want a file from that to this location. Okay. So we will run a command called cp this file we need to copy. Now the destination. This is the source. Now destination will be, I want to keep this at this folder. Okay, now I can give the name of this file, same name I can provide. Okay, now copy. I forgot to enter cube commands. First kubectl cp. Now this command. Now file is copied. We can check at current directory. See, there are two files. So now we need to export this file from this cluster to our local computer. Okay, so basically now we need to move this file. Earlier we copied, now we need to move from this server to our computer. So now we will open new command, new terminal. So this is my local computer terminal. So here I need to run scp command. Using scp command we can download or we can export a file from a server to our local. So to do this we use scp command, and we know the location of the file is that server. This is the server. Okay, so that is this is the server. Right. 20. And this is the file. The file name. This file we need to copy from this server to our local. So in our local, I can install, I can export this from local to our computer. So my current directory users desktop users installer desktop. So here I will copy this file from this to this. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, now it will move from this file will be moved from this to this location. Okay, now it will ask for password. Now we can check at this location. Yes. So we can find here this. So this is the file we have got, and this desktop location. Now there are some analyzer tools. Using that we can get the file. So this is the analyzer tool. So here in the load we can load the new file. So this is the latest one which we have downloaded. We can open and it will be loaded. So here we can see the summary of the heap dump. We can see here heap size, classes, instances, environment variables. These are the JVM arguments. modules, properties, and instances with the count and sizes. So this is how we can analyze the dump. Thank you guys.